4 years sitting in dust. Twin turbos bolted to a $50 5.2 liter Magnum. If one oil line blows or the timing is off by a single degree, this whole build goes boom. First start in 3, 2, 1. 4 years ago, Whitie was my drag truck, a beat-up 98 Ram with a high mileage 5.0. Life got busy, kids, work, other priorities, and this poor truck just sat. Every time I walked past it, I felt guilty. The twin turbo drag truck I dream about was collecting dust. That wild, bright orange paint idea, just a thought. This isn't just a first start. This is Whitie coming back to life. First thing, get this Dodge Caliber rack and pinion the hell out of the way. Need every inch of room to drop this engine in clean. Have to watch all the clearances because this baby fits tight. She fits tight and she fits right where she belongs, in Whitie or orangey or whatever you want to call it. Now it's time to put the power to the back. It's now time to roll that transmission in, jack it up. This thing's heavy, but we got it lined up. Get the dowel pins started, then start running all our bolts in with our nice little electric ratchet. That's a good feeling right there. Transmission cross member goes in next. Flex plate time, get the first few bolts in, then bump the engine over so we can reach the rest. One more bolt, locked in. Drive shaft goes in, slide it home. Lock the U-joint, power's finally connected all the way to our rear end. Making sure those bolts are nice and snug so nothing comes loose. Entering wiring harness goes on, then the battery box, and the rest of the frame harness. Everything's starting to look like a real truck again. Last big piece, fuel cell drops in, fresh fuel system, ready to feed these gigantic eBay Wu-Tang Warriors. Everything's in, fluids checked, fuel's primed, battery charged. This is the moment 4 years of waiting has come down to. Ignition switch on, and let's see if Whitie still has a heartbeat. He's back, baby! Whitie 2.0 is back alive! This is only the beginning. The next part, we get boost, we get tuning, we get this baby down the track. And Whitie is officially back.